point here that we is let me connect my real device and let us see a small example here. So what I want to do right now is it possible for us to retain a session? Is it possible for us to retain our a login instance on the mobile app? What exactly this point is? Why are we dealing or why are we studying this particular point? So the thing happened is, assume that you are working on one particular scenario, and whenever you are working on that particular scenario, there is a possibility for you to perform the login operation. And after certain instances, your login, it's not recognizing. Okay. Or at every point of time, whenever the script is creating an instance, it's taking back you to login screen. Okay, it's taking back you to the login screen. So if that is what happening, how exactly I can skip this login? I don't want to deal with the login always. I just want to skip this login behavior. How I want to deal with it? Okay, that's what the ultimate point that we need to consider. Okay, for which what I want to do right now is I just want to establish a session with this device right now. Select this launch so that I will show you what I'm trying to do. Okay, so which can be done using no reset capability. So whenever you are giving this no reset capability as a true, then it will not delete the complete instance of the app, including the cookies and all those things. It will persist all those things whenever it is establishing a new session. So ideally, what it will happen means whenever we are trying to establish a new session, the complete details about the previous session would be deleted by your Appium. But whenever we use a no reset at that point of time, what it will do means it will delete the app, but it will maintain the session details, whatever we have given to it. Okay, if you logged in into that, it will maintain that login instance. If you have other instances, it will maintain all those instances there itself. That's what the ultimate point with respect to this whole chunk is. Okay, using the no reset command. So here in the desired capabilities set, if you observe, we have a platform name, platform version, automation name, device name, app, and an activity. We have all these capabilities with us. Okay, we have all these capabilities with us. In addition to that, okay, in addition to that, if you are having another capability, no reset, then it will save our time. So let me establish a session right now. I'm trying to establish a new session. Okay, new session here. And why the visor is not showing up? 1 second. There are multiple alternatives there basically for this visor, but we don't need to use them. Okay, so among all those things, visor is the best one, which is a bit easier for us to show up, mirror up that particular device. Anyways, on my mobile, the app is launched and the login screen got shown up, but here it's not in the visor. Let me kill this visor. Let me relaunch this visor. Okay, let me kill this visor and let me relaunch this visor. Okay, let it go. In the meantime, I have an Appium inspector session with me. I logged into that particular app. So when I did a refresh on this particular screen, when I did a refresh, I was able to see the login instance, which means that the login was successful here. Right here, I can see that the login was successful here. This is perfect. But, okay, now kill this session and re-establish a new session. Whenever you are trying to re-establish a new session, again, it will take you to the login screen itself. The previous instance, it's not maintaining that particular previous instance. See, that's the reason the login screen on the mobile got us shown up here. to get rid of this particular thing. So what are we going to do means we are gonna add a new capability, no reset, and its value is a true. Okay, whenever you have a given that no reset capability value as a true, and when you establish a session, whatever the instance is there, it will get that particular app instance. Of course, it will kill it, but it will not delete the complete session details, whatever we have. Now, what I'm doing right now means, let me try to create a new session and see what it is pulling up right now. It should show up, okay, it should show up that particular login, not the login screen. On the mobile right now, I can see there's the inbox. It was supposed to show up that particular screen. Okay, it was supposed to show up that particular screen. That's what the behavior of this and no reset command is. So no reset capability is the one which is used to not reset the capabilities. Okay, not reset this particular app instance. That's what the point is. And here the Swag Lab application does has some issue. That's the reason it's not working out. Usually whenever we pick another application, it's not the case. So in Swag Lab, there are some issues are there with which certain scenarios will not work on it. Okay, we don't have that credentials. Okay, new applications. Let me see. Okay, which one? ECOM demo 1.4. Okay, let us take this particular app. Okay, so let me kill this session. Okay, let me delete this capability. Desktop APK files, new, and the app name is this one. New. Okay, this is the app is. Let me try to install this app and see. See, users Appium files does not exist or it's not accessible. Okay. Is there any wrong in this one? The C users screen. Desktop Appium APK files. Okay. New APK files. New. Okay. So here, I think .apk is missing at the end, right? .apk is missing at the end, right? You need to add this .apk and let's establish a session. Let us try to establish session and let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, so this is the screen, the app is on. Let me log in. Okay, so I was on a login screen. Let me try to log in into this particular one. So I'm using my credentials. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let me try to log in into that one. Surendra.Jagannathan. Okay, so I'm unable to, I didn't remember my credentials with this app. So hence I'm doing a sign up operation on this. So I'm Suren and I'm entering my email ID Surendra and the password for this app, I'm giving it as a 1234 is the password that I'm giving. Okay, 456. 6. Okay, email ID already exists. Okay, I think I have forgot my password. So I'm trying to set this password for this application. Okay, I think it's working. Just a minute. Okay, so I forgot the credentials that I have used on this particular app. Okay. Oh, it's not coming. Password. The reset password is not coming. Okay, let me try. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I created a new account and it sent an email for verification. Somehow that email I didn't receive. Okay. So the mobile instance is not reflecting here. Okay, so here what I'm trying to do right now is I'm not sure why the visor is not showing it up. Okay, so the point here what I have done is on this particular app, I created a new account. And for that, it's saying that verification pending. We already sent a confirmation email. If you didn't receive it, please click on a refresh. So let me cross check my email ID. I didn't get any emails as of now. Let me recheck my inbox. Okay, I'm just checking out my inbox. I didn't find anything in promotions. I didn't find anything in softwares and the spam too. Okay. None of the places I don't have this email lucky trainings 007. Let's see. Again, I did a reset email. You should get that email. Let's see. So if I have this login flow up and running, I can show you out. I can show you out one flow. So if you didn't receive email ID, please fill it up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So there is an issue with this application. I'm not getting any, I'm not getting any such things here. The emails to verify that particular account. Yeah. I didn't get it. Okay, fine. We'll see that particular thing. Okay, we'll see that particular thing, how exactly we can deal with it. Okay, so the point here is if we get that particular email, when you logged into that account and whenever you use a no reset command, automatically that will work. That's what the ultimate point which we are gonna see. Okay. Okay, buddy, I remembered my credentials and it worked. Okay, so let me refresh the Appium inspector instance. If you see right now, it logged in successfully right now. The thing happened is I tried my credentials and it worked. I tried multiple combinations and it worked and I was able to log in. Now on the mobile, I am on a login screen. Okay, or I can say on the application homepage, right? Terminate this instance, and I'm not using any of this particular commands, which is the reset. Okay, I'm not using any of these reset command. And whenever I establish a start session, okay, whenever I establish a start session, what it will happen means, see, I'll show you in an inspector. So it will take you back to the login screen. The reason is we haven't given any no reset, hence it will take you to the login screen itself. See, the login screen got shown up for us. So to get rid of this particular thing, what are we doing right now means I'm using a no reset and this is a Boolean value as a true. before establishing a session, what I'm doing is I'm trying to log in. So I'm manually doing that particular login behavior. Otherwise, it is not showing up, but I'm doing it manually. I tried entering my credentials and I clicked on a sign in. The login was successful. Okay. And now this time when I started this session, observe guys, here I've just started this session right now. And whenever I started this particular session right now, it will take me to the inbox page. The reason is we are not resetting the complete application. We are just, deleting the app, but still we are maintaining the session details. That's what the significance of this no reset command is. Okay, that's what the significance of this particular no reset command. Okay, perfect. Done the deal. And then the next point that you need to consider here is, so I am on a login screen. As in when I open the app, this is the login screen that will show up. So what I'm trying to do means I want to click on this new sign up here. I want to create an account. I need to write down a program that should perform this operation. So here, prior to this one, I need to create a program for the no reset. Okay, so here, where it is. So here is the command, which is an example for no reset. So no reset, in which the only thing that you need to do is, as part of the capabilities, you need to set one more capability. Okay, as part of the capabilities, you need to set one more capability. Okay, and that capability is gonna be no reset. Okay, that capability is a no reset and its value is a true. That's it. If you set this particular one, automatically it will work out. Now, what I'm trying to do right now is here, ECOM demo 2 app account creation. Okay, ECOM demo 2 app account creation. Okay, so for this, delete all unnecessary commands from the program. Okay, delete all unnecessary commands. And now the APK file got changed. I need to update this APK file. So here, the APK file is this one I'm using. This is the APK that I'm using. I updated my APK file. That's it. And after updating this APK file, it will show up on a login screen. Prior to that, I'm using the implicit wait. Timeout.implicit wait 60 time unit dot seconds. I just kept it as a 60 seconds. Now, after this one, I need to click on a new hire sign up. Copy this ID. Driver.find element by ID. Click it. And whenever you perform a click operation on this particular one, it will take you to the next screen. Okay, it will take you to the next screen here, where in which full name is a text field, email ID is a text field, password is a text field, confirm password is a text field, sign up is a button. 4 fields are there and 1 button is there. And this is the username field. So here, driver.find element by ID dot send keys Surya. Okay, copy this command and place it for 3 times. Okay, so username, update it to the email address. So here, okay, this is the email address, demo email at the rate gmail.com. And I need to enter the password, copy the password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get the confirm password. update the confirm password to 123456. Now I need to click on this sign up. So here, that's it. This is the thing. So we are using a find element by sign up button first of all, and then enter the username, password, confirm password and a password, and finally click on this sign up button. And prior to that, I add a thread dot sleep for a few seconds, check how it's gonna work on. That's a simple thing. I added an implicit wait here so that it's gonna wait a sufficient amount of time. And when I run my test script as a Java application right now, so, okay, visor is not showing up. Okay, that's fine. Let us see here and let us see the Appium server. So sometimes this visor will kill us like this. So we can't do anything. We just need to kill the visor, restart the machine, and we can try it out. Okay, but as of now, it's entering the password, confirm password, and clicked on the sign up. The script got executed successfully, and the program executed successfully message got printed down to the console. The script got executed successfully. So this is the way how exactly you can manage or you can write down a program for this sign up functionality for